I heard someone say free pizza.
Yes, I have accumulated the precise amount of coupons for one free Ratchet.
You never said it was cosmic pizza.
Windows error. Security alert.
Free is nothing to get excited about. The juice has more flavor than the pizza.
Flavor is not my primary objective, Ratchet.
What?
My primary objective is being gay.
Okay, I think I'm done.
May we now resume our primary mission?
Sex mission, Clank.
I don't think so.
Cosmic if it were up to me, we'd be going for a nice slice of tentacle!
Don't let your kids watch it! Let your kids watch this!
Hey folks, viewer mail time again. Oh, here's one from P. Dear Pig, aren't you interrupting the story at the most suspenseful part? Well, the answer is yes.
Go eat a dick.
Pig.
So, do we need to eat the giant
sushi and ocean-type stuff all the time?
No, Ratchet.
Must go.
He brought you the world-shattering
YouTube poop.
Thank you all for coming to the reverse.
That's disgusting!
Disgusting.
Now that's a pizza.
Ratchet and Clank.
Gotcha, bitch!
That was the first escape ever! Pizzaverse, here we come! Here we come!
Oh, for fuck's sake!
You can't fire me! I am Captain
Quasar.
the galaxy's greatest hero! You need me more than I need you!
The planetarium tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. You're fired.
Vest!
Where'd that idiot run off to anyway?
I don't know.
So, what's so special about your little doohickey thingamajiggy?
Nobody asked you, bold boy.
Try the taunter!
Get ready to shake your groove thing!
Here, kitty.
Actually, they carried me in, and I'm a
Yordle.
Aw, only for a yordle.
Silence! You are what I say you are, and I say you my
This game is fucked up.